Gaur bertso pelota aurkezpen berezia izango dugu eta lehenengo hasiera emango diogu bertso bategaz.
Eskerrik asko etortzearren herriko frontoian dira Olarretako pelotarien aurkezpenek italdira.
Is it alright if I come round? Is it too late if I come now? Would you stay up to figure this out some way? If I stay here, would you come back? If I stay cool, would you be mad? Would you want me if I want you that way? Isn't it strange every time I look at your name, I'm suddenly high, I faintly feel the same. I would do almost anything. I give away this, give away that. All of my shoes, all of my hats. All I need you and a bit of music. Cause all I can think about is coming over. Coming over.
Tatted up, I wanna lose my mind just for this one night. Flying high, cause we only got one life. Baby, are we cool enough? We've been real bad now, but we wanna try it all out. And do we ever stop now? Baby, are we cool enough?